in solving this radical equation, we need to keep in mind two things. The first one that we always need to look for is to make sure that the radical is isolated. And in this case, my radical is right there. So it's all alone on the left side of the equation. So step one has already been taken care of for me. The second thing is to determine what power you need to raise the radical to in order to remove that radical sign. So when we are solving equations, we are doing inverse operations. Inverse operations for division would be multiplication. For addition, we would use subtraction. And for square rooting, we want to square. So in this case, we want to eliminate or solve using inverse operation. Here, we're going to want to take this square root of 2x and 4, and we're going to want to raise both sides of the equation to the power that will eliminate the radical sign. And since a square root has an index of 2, we want to square both sides. And so the second most important thing, once we've determined what we're going to raise the power to, is to make sure we do it to both sides. So on the left side, all it's really doing is eliminating the radical sign. On the right side, we have to do what 4 squared is. Remember, that's 4 times 4, so we get 16. Okay. Don't fall into the trap of multiplying. It is a power, and we are raising it to the second power. Okay. Now we just continue as we would solve any algebraic equation by inverse operations. And here we're going to divide both sides by 2. And my final result is x equals 8.